we made a last-minute decision to head north. We're gonna go to Glacier National Park. We in Montana. Got some nice weather. Little sprinkles. All right, we are here in Glacier National Park.
This is called Lake McDonald.
Can I drive through here, or you guys want to step out?
I'm cool with the drive-through. Lake McDonald Lodge. Nice.
I'd stay here. That's it? There's nothing over there? You can go down there too.
What's up, Lucas?
Hey guys, this is my favorite dinosaur. See, it's dinosaur shaped.
Hairpin turn.
Of Russian stonemasons were in charge of these objects. They worked long into the night. Well, would you look at that? We've made it. We're at 6,646 feet.
Any more?
They work so hard to do that. Wow, so you guys saw a mountain goat and
Let's make those now.
Look at this guy. Thank you. That was an amazing photo. He's like, forget it.
Yeah, looks like they
can be as deep as 80 to 100 feet. Can you imagine what it's like trying to plow this out in the spring? Me neither. Trying to plow this out in the spring? Me neither. This alone can add a month of the I'm wondering what all this is about. Most likely because the mouse is doing it.
Alright, so we checked out the Glacier National Park. Found a campsite up in the, I don't know, what's that dam called? Do you remember?
No, I don't remember.
Well, it's near a dam. But we just...
To do with
Moose? I don't know.
No, something horse. Crazy horse or something.
Okay. But yeah, we found a campsite up there. It's not my favorite camp spot, but, you know, it worked. But we had breakfast. Stopped at Montana Coffee Traders. Got a quick bite to eat. Made the boys some breakfast. And now we are on the road. Going to cross into Idaho today. And hopefully Utah. Find a camp spot out there. And then we'll see what happens. And then maybe tomorrow we'll check out Bryce Canyon and Zion. That'll be 5 national parks in 9 days. So yeah, let's do it.